Well, this is the year that I'm going to have to call the pull dick because I can't fix it anymore. Shit's gotten too old and too brittle and too broken, and in addition to the chlorinator leaking, and this thing has been cracked for years, this happened. Just spins around, doesn't lock it down. A lot of air still, and I don't think it's from this, because even if I push it down, it doesn't get any better. So it's probably sucking a lot of air from there. Something is totally fucked somewhere, and I gotta get this looked at. I've done enough as far as trying and trying and trying over the years. It's just gotten steadily worse and worse. And I'm gonna have to pull a pull dick in. Yeah, this ain't gonna fly. I mean, there's just so much air getting in. I actually tightened up the fitting over here with the pliers a little bit, just a little bit, and it got no better. And I know it's not because of that, because I actually have run this pump. While it's running, I've unscrewed the things on it, and it's stayed perfect. Like the suction it creates sucks that lid down. But here's the problem: when I shut it now, look, it's fucking chazzled. The thing is fucking chazzled. Everything is fucked up. I don't think it'll catch prime again. I can't run it with all that air in there because it just doesn't have enough flow. There's just way too much air, and it's going to end up hurting the pump worse than it already is. It's not catching prime, so I got to open the thing, refill it with the hose. It's shot. This is the year it failed. Fixing little things here and there, but it just got too old. I knew the planet would have it in for me. We didn't even have a bad fucking winter. Didn't even have tons of snow and shit. Nope. Just decided it's not catching prime. Yep, I gotta call a pull dick. One last thing I can try is to shut the main drain and open one of the skimmers, if it will allow that after I get it reprimed. But other than that, you know, if it's still pumping air like that, because if it is through the main drain, then the pipe fucking broke somewhere. Otherwise, I don't know. So let me try to get it reprimed. That just falls off. It doesn't even stay. Just have the one. Let's see if it'll... About as good as it did before. West skimmer is the closer one, so we'll try that. Now, it may lose prime because of the air in that line, but we'll see if it'll get it again. Something tells me no. I'm hearing things. Yeah, we're moving. Sort of. There he goes. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking a lot better. There's still air, yeah, but... Well, maybe we could carry on a little bit. Let me see if I could show you what the hell is going on. I don't think the camera is adjusting for it. Yeah, barely. If I can move this in. That's a lot better than it was. The water is just shooting out of the fucking thing. I got the whole thing serviced. It leaked first. Then it stopped leaking, then it started leaking again. But this is like out of control. Well, I guess let's go for broke and open the other skimmer up because it's not going to get any worse than it is. Water leaking out of this thing real good now. That shouldn't be happening. I think this thing has had it. I think we're picking up. Yeah, we're moving. Little by little. Sound is changing. There he goes. Whoa! That was an odd sound. There we are. Can you see the chooch? It looks like a lot, but it's actually not. It's on the side of the pump. It's not the drain plugs. Well, maybe one, but I think it's this fitting here. Because every time I wipe the water away, it comes back, but I never did find like where. I never can spot it. That's the best I'm going to get her to run. Should put the baskets in there. Gives her plenty of air. That's never going to stop. And this one will toot all day. This is the highest one. For whatever reason, it always, all the air gets to this one. So that's going to always make that sound now. But it's at least moving. So I got to make a lot of phone calls. Let's see if the light is burned out. Wouldn't that be the shit? Can you see it? Because I can't. But it actually is on. That's how murky the water is. I stuck my hand down there and I could feel the heat off of it. Alright, so far so bad. Let's try the Polaris pump. Oh, you want to work? Wow. That wants to work. Okay, that's good. And let's try opening the solar. Manual on. The valve is opening. I know the drain valve on the other side of the house is closed because I closed it earlier. The sound changed and we got bubbles here. So we should start getting a lot of bubbles in the pool. There they are. So apparently that works. Put the other one in already. Let's get some water out of here. Well, I think we're going to leave it there for this part. So stay tuned for the next in the series.